Another example of a successful project is in India, in the city of Calcutta. Now, Calcutta is one of the most populated and polluted areas in India. But on the edge of a city, there are some large ponds of sparkling water called the Calcutta wetlands. These wetlands are made from the wastewater in the city. The water is not clean enough to drink, but it is clean enough for fish to live in, and the fish provide food for people. The wetlands also offer some natural scenery in the city. So, how can dirty water waste from the city end up in a pond water that is healthy enough for fish to live in? Well, it all has to do with algae. Seaweed and tiny plants that live in the water. The algae actually eat the waste. So eventually the water is turned into cleaner water that fish can live in. The person who figured out how this worked and developed the project believed that this simple water cleansing system could be used in other places. There is no expensive technology involved. It's just a matter of understanding the ecosystem and having it along. So this very simple system of cleaning water could potentially be used anywhere in the world. The last example is the simple program in the city of Vancouver in British Columbia, Canada. There, the city has designed and manufactured rain barrels for residents of the city. The residents use the rain barrel to collect water to water the gardens. Now, this may not seem like a particularly important project. Vancouver is a city that gets a lot of rain, after all, but I believe that it's indeed important. The main idea behind this program is to try to make people more aware of wasteful water practices. Historically, people didn't feel that the water conservation was important, since the city does in fact get a lot of rain. But people use a lot of water to irrigate their gardens during the summer. So the city hopes that this simple program will make people think a bit more about water use. I think this kind of program, where people in places don't appear to have major water problems, also learn about water conservation, is becoming more important in worldwide education about water use. Now, I'll take a minute to answer any questions so far before we go into this program in detail.